If you've ever struggled with a distracting background color in a PDF text field, maybe it's obscuring your text, or you just want a cleaner, more professional look, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through removing the fill color from a text field in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your PDF forms look crisp and easy to read, all in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. You'll need the Pro version for these form editing features, so make sure you've got that running. If you're working with a form that someone sent you, or maybe one you created yourself, just double-click to open it like you normally would. Now, we're going to navigate to the editing tools. Along the top, you'll see a range of options. Find the one labeled Tools. Click on that, and from the menu that appears, look for Prepare Form. This is where all your form editing magic happens. The Prepare Form tool basically unlocks all the interactive fields in your PDF, so you can tweak things like appearance, formatting, or validation with just a few clicks. Once you've entered Prepare Form mode, your PDF will probably highlight all the different fields, text boxes, checkboxes, and so on. Find the specific text field where the background color is causing issues and double-click it. If you have a lot of fields and aren't sure which one's which, just hover your mouse over each until you spot the right label, then double-click. This opens the Properties window for that field. Inside the Properties window, you'll see several different tabs across the top. Click on the tab called Appearance. This is where you control how your text field looks to others, font, borders, and importantly, background or fill color. Now pay close attention. You'll see a section called Fill Color. Sometimes it'll show a colored square, or it might be labeled with the current background color. We want to set this to no color so the field blends seamlessly with the rest of your form. In Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, no color is often represented by a little white box with a red line slashing through it, sort of like the universal no entry symbol. Just click on that and you'll notice the preview of your text field updates immediately to show the color is gone. Go ahead and click OK to apply your changes. If you're editing several fields, you can repeat this process for each one, but for now, let's stick with just the one you needed removed. Finally, don't forget to save your PDF. This part's easy to overlook, especially if you're toggling between different documents. Just hit the Save icon, or go up to File, Save, and your changes will be locked in. Now, when you open up your PDF or share it with someone else, that background color will be gone, and your text field will look clean and professional. And there you have it, a simple way to remove fill color from those pesky PDF text fields using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and feel free to drop a comment below if you ran into any hiccups or have more questions about working with PDFs. For more straightforward, step-by-step guides like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.